Hi everyone, do you meet some cases that iPhone is disabled because enter password too many times? And how to factory reset iPhone 12 without password? Let's see. We have 3 ways to factory reset iPhones 12 without password. iPhone Unlocker, iTunes, and iCloud. Let's start with iPhone Unlocker. iPhone Unlocker is a reputable passcode and Apple ID removal tool available for Windows and Mac OS. This software aims to factory reset any iOS devices without any passcode, Face ID and Touch ID. The tool also can help you quickly bypass iCloud activation lock, no matter if you forgot your password or you bought a second-hand locked device, and regain access to all Apple services by signing in with a new Apple ID. Now open AppGeeker.com, find iPhone Unlocker and click Free Trial. After download this software, open it and click on Wipe Passcode panel. Then hit the Start button. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Press and release the volume button. Press and release the volume up and the volume down do the same. Hold the side button. Then you will see the detailed device information of your iPhone. If the software can't recognize your device, put it into recovery mode first. Choose Manually Device Information. When the Apple logo will flash, keep holding until you see Connect to Computer. When you successfully connected to your iPhone 12, choose iPhone and start. The fireware package is downloaded. Read the warning and enter *000 to unlock. Now wait a moment, you will see your iPhone 12 will be factory reset and be unlocked as a new one. Second, factory reset iPhone 12 using iTunes in a PC or a Mac computer. Press and release the volume up and the volume down button, hold the power button and keep holding, then connect your iPhone 12 with USB cable successfully. iTunes will have a pop-up window and choose Restore It. It will erase all your data, so click Restore and Update. Last, factory reset iPhone 12 using iCloud. Go to iCloud.com, and log in your Apple ID. Then click Find iPhone, all devices choose iPhone 12 you want to factory reset. Hit Erase iPhone. Wait a moment. Finally you will get your iPhone 12 like a new one. These are 3 ways to factory reset iPhone 12 without password. If this helped you out, please subscribe to AppGeeker's channel. I will see you next video.